Hi guys, we have here 2014 BMW 535 diesel, the F10 chassis, and I'm trying to show you how to reset the oil light or service maintenance, whatever you call it. You need to turn the key on and then you need to wait to see. You can see this service has been over 29,000 miles and you need to wait all of this to clear, and there's a button on this left bottom side that you need to hold, and when you keep holding you're gonna get vehicle check, reset possible. Okay, you need to release and then hold it again. It's asking reset, and then you need to release and then press it again and reset in progress, and that's it. Reset successful. That's the whole procedure, and then you release the button again. Okay, then yeah, this was the whole procedure. Again, oil reset on BMW F10 chassis, in this case 2014 BMW 535 diesel. Thanks for watching. Please like my videos and please subscribe. Thank you.